faves, good morning, good morning, morning, good afternoon and good night. Tyler, say morning, faves. Honey.
Morning.
Even though it's not morning, it's early afternoon.
Yeah.
And the sun is in my eye. If anybody told me that the sun was going to if anybody told me that the sun was going to come out like this, the way this morning was looking, I would say no, honey. This morning was so cloudy, it was so foggy, I could hardly see anything outside. But we are out of the house. We are going to see one of my sister-in-law and spend the rest of the afternoon with her. What happened? Your eyes? Your eyes?
Yeah.
The sun?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. It soon go away. Okay? He doesn't like the sun. Mama, leave your glasses at home. Next time when Mama leaving home, you remind Mama to carry your glasses, okay? Okay? Anyway, you guys, it's another day in with the family, and we're just taking you along as usual. So hopefully you guys will enjoy today's vlog, whatever it is that we're about to show you, and hopefully you guys are enjoying the shut up. Hopefully you guys are still enjoying the holiday. This GPS is so annoying. Anyway, you guys, we are out and about. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if it's your first time to the fam bam, catch up and keep up. We love you guys, and thank you guys for all the love that you guys have been continuing to show us. Yes, my boo-boo? You want a Burger King? Okay, how about when we're coming back? Okay? Alright. Let's just get him quiet, but he won't forget. Anyway, you guys, we are on our way to go see one of my sister-in-law. You guys haven't seen this one in a long time, or if you're fairly new to our channel, it's the first time that you guys will meet her. So, let go. They're cute. They're pretty birds. You're gonna give them you give them all of your chips. Oh. Go take up the bag and throw it in the bin. There's no more chips. Chips finish. Hey guys, this is our spot. We're in Avignon. Say hello, sister. Bonjour. That's my beautiful sister-in-law. And you all know who this is. Tell her di bonjour. Say hello to the faves. He's here feeding the birds all his biscuit and all his chips. Say hi to the faves. Say hi, faves. He's feeding all the birds. Let me show you guys my view, or view for the evening. Look at that. This is Avignon. It has so many history behind it. Babe, what is this place again? The Pope's Palace?
Yes.
That's the Pope's Palace
This
right
is
there.
when it was a problem back in the time in Rome, where the Pope are. And they moved here during about 100 years.
Okay.
It was like 5-6 different popes that lived here.
Okay.
And then they moved back to Vatican.
Okay. Okay. So there's no Pope there now?
No.
Oh, but it's just called the Pope's Palace.
Because that's what they used to say. And the graves of the Pope are still inside. All of
the past Pope?
Yeah, the 5-6 that were
living there?
Here were still here.
Okay, cool.
Oh, yeah, that's where they used to be. So it's the palace of the Pope.
Okay, and what's the history behind this bridge? If you realize this bridge is just halfway in the water and it's just stopped right here, you can walk and go all the way.
I don't know if you know the song. There's a famous song that is world famous. It's called Sur le pont d'Avignon, on y danse sur le. That's a famous song. This is the famous bridge. This is about this bridge.
Okay.
And back in the times it was full.
going across the water.
Right.
Okay.
And something had happened, and I don't know.
And they just leave it like that.
Yeah, now it's become, you can see a lot of tourists in it.
Oh yeah.
Because it's the only one you see tourists.
And there's also another bridge here, but this one have motorists, regular one.
It's a regular one. You don't have nothing.
Yeah, Tyler Planet is anti.
I'm gonna try to see.
Anyway, you guys, we're just here chilling and hanging out for the rest of the afternoon. So hopefully you guys are enjoying our little tour of this area in Avignon.
Mont Ventoux. If it was cold, there would be snow on top.
But I think there's a little, no?
It is high enough. It's very high.
A little, so I don't know if that's it.
It's very high. That's when I was young, when I used to go.
And this is the thing about Avignon. You're only seeing stones with all these buildings. You know that there are years and years made.
Là c'est quoi, tout droit?
Tout direction.
Because there used to be, like I told you, like a free city, wasn't a part of France. So if c'est où là?
Bah t'es obligé d'aller à droite.
Je vois.
Et tu vas à gauche. Direction. It's a pretty city too. Especially
back in the time, if you see a map of France, you see like a little dot where Avignon is, and it's written Free City of Avignon. I mean,
you see, it says what? Free City?
I mean,
Free City means?
It wasn't a part of France.
Ok. Ok.
T'as encore un parking avant, il était gratuit. Maintenant, ils ont mis un euro d'acteur.
Celui-là, il est payant? C'est celui où tout le monde se gare.
Bah, maintenant, ils ont mis un euro d'acteur qui est. Avant, c'était gratuit.
And all these boats that you're seeing in the water, my sister-in-law says
it's a restaurant.
Okay, that big one is a restaurant, but all the others in the corner over there is houses, people living in them. Yes, baby? You want to go to the restaurant? Tell Papa.
C'est quoi, tout droit là?
Tout droit et après à gauche.
You want to go to the restaurant?
On fait une petite sortie.
Là, on va chez Tata maintenant, d'accord? Et après on va en ville voir les lumières et on va manger si tu veux, on va boire si tu veux, on va faire ce que tu veux.
À gauche, pas à droite.
Ok. Ok, Ty.
Et là, à droite. À gauche là encore?
Oui, à gauche.
You don't realize where you are? Yeah, we're going to Auntie first and then we're going in town, okay? Alright, and then we go to town to get something to drink or go to the restaurant or something, okay? Alright. Dance, do his dance, dance. Stop.
To walk to the city hall?
Honey, that's where you're gonna go get something to eat? No problem. It's just up here. It's just at the end of the street, no?
Yeah.
Now we're in town. All these lights are so beautiful in the sky. So pretty.
y en a plein, choisissez si vous voulez.
Vas-y, prends le premier, moi je prends n'importe.
Après, c'est juste qu'ils vont voir.
Celui-là, il y a à gauche, Mistrou, il y a à l'intérieur, hein, peu importe, je m'en fous.
La caméra.
Santa is in this little ball.
Non, pas de patinoire aujourd'hui.
There's a skating ring over there.
Go into this one.
Which one?
This one is the first one.
It's only me. I just came upstairs. I'm so tired. I just coming on to end the vlog and tell you guys what we did in the latter part of the evening. I think the last clip you guys saw was us at the restaurant having a drink. Then we left and we went and ordered pizza and went to my sister-in-law's house, and we stayed there and we eat and chit chat and just catch up and spend some time with her, so she and Tyler could do some bonding time. And of course Tyler had the best time spending time with his aunties and uncles whenever he's around them. So that's what we did, and then we went and see some more friends to drop off Christmas gift for their kids, and then we came home. And now back at my, I say home because this is where we're staying at my brother-in-law's house. So yeah, we are just here and Tyler is here chilling. Tyler, say hi to the face. Tyler, say hi face. Tell them what you're doing. What you doing? What you doing?
Watching the food.
He's watching the phone, and of course everybody's gonna go to bed soon. Baby's downstairs spending some time with his brother, so we're just here until babe gets in bed. So I'm just coming at the end of the vlog, so hopefully you guys enjoy our little outing today. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if it's your first time to the fam. Catch up and keep up. We love you guys, and of course we'll see you guys tomorrow, which is our Christmas Eve. So stay tuned for the Christmas Eve vlog.